Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Kohls. It's a very quick and simple step. Without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. You can use any web browser you'd like. Let's tap into that, and at the very top you can see a search bar. In that, let's type in Kohl's work, login, and make sure you tap into the official page, which is this one. Let's tap into that, and you'll be greeted with this login page. All you gotta do is tap in your username in the first field and your password in the second field. And if you want this site to remember your information, or if you want the site to keep you signed in, you can tap in this little square box, or you can simply leave it like that. Let's leave it like that for now, and that's it. If you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in this option that you forgot your password, and if you want to unlock your account, you can tap into that. And the last thing is that if you are having any trouble logging in, you can contact, there's even a number that is given to you. You can contact in that. Since we have no trouble, so we can simply tap in that blue button that is sign in, and you'll be signed into your Kohl's account. Signing into your Kohl's account is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.